Hello friends, in this video we are installing the camshaft gear in John Deere 4045 4-cylinder engine. Also we are installing the balancers on the same engine. Now first we are removing the thrust plate, the camshaft thrust plate. The torque for the camshaft thrust plate is 35 Newton meter. The cap screws should be tightened to 35 Newton meter or 26 foot-pound. Do not allow camshaft lobes to drag on camshaft bore or bushing surfaces while installing camshaft. Bearing surfaces may become scratched or scored. Rotate camshaft during installation to avoid obstruction in any bore. Lubricate the bores with TY6333 John Deere HT moly grease. Slowly slide the camshaft into the bores, avoiding the damage to the bushing, and then install the thrust plate. I already told you the torque for the thrust plate is 26 foot-pound or 35 Newton meter, whichever torque wrench you are using. There is a groove inside the camshaft where this thrust plate will be locked, and tight the bolts to confirm that the thread is okay, and then tighten up to the specific torque. The torque I already told you is 26 foot-pound. After installing the camshaft, we will install the right and left balancers.
What's next?
वीडियो देखो थले दो वाली एक वाली है
Lubricate the balancers before installing. Make sure that they slide through the bushing without damaging the bushing. Balancer shafts must be installed in the location from which removed. Reversing shaft locations could result in excessive bushing and shaft wear. If in doubt about proper shaft locations, replace the balancer shaft and bushing. That's mentioned in the manual.
थले दो वाली एक वाली
The torque for the balancer shaft
दो वाली है ये एक वाली
thrust plate cap screws is 40 Newton meter or 29.5 foot-pound. 29.5 foot-pound or 40 Newton meter. Install both the balancers. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel for more.